Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and I am standing in front of one gorgeous 1980 Camaro. It's got a ZZ crate motor in it. It's got beautiful interior, beautiful silver paint job. Love the blacked out hood. Man, this thing is sweet. Now we're gonna put it up on the lift so you can check out the bottom side. We're gonna pop the hood. We're gonna get in the interior. We're gonna get inside the trunk. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Camaro investment. So come on up and we'll fire it up for you now. So check this beauty out, man. The paint, even on the plastic bumper up here, is beautiful. Now, I said the hood was blacked out, but it's more of a really, really deep gunmetal gray. Really sharp. I love the pinstriping on it. And this silver paint, the guy that sprayed this paint is a pro. Silver is one of the hardest colors to get nice and even. This thing is beautiful, guys. Everything fits good. And look at the wheel and tire combo on there. Now the wheel color looks real close to what's on the hood. The doors are lined up nice. The gaps are fairly straight. All the trim's been blacked out. Look how nice and easy that door opened up. And look at these door jambs. They did a beautiful job finishing the door jambs. We've got great looking rubber here. The door panel looks good. Look up in here. Look how nice and clean everything up in there is also. It's just beautiful, guys. Now it's got the racing lap belts in it. It's got a tilt column, aftermarket steering wheel, aftermarket shifter there. They've done some custom work on the center console there. It's got custom gauges in it. They did a beautiful job. The dash pad itself's in gorgeous shape. The paint on the dash looks good. The upholstery on the seats looks great. Even they put the racing seat belts in the back also. Very, very cool. Headrest looks good. I mean, headliner, not headrest. It doesn't have headrest. And we've got our sun visors up there too, looking awesome. Again, great looking wheels and tires on the back. Spoiler looks good. Tail lights look great here. See if I can figure out how this opens up. Opens from the side. I thought it went up or down. Inside the trunk here. Look inside the trunk. Beautiful in there. The coating looks great. All the paint work up in here looks good. They've replaced the rubber there. Bottom side of the deck lid. All the lips here look good. All the paint work looks great. Look down the side of this beauty. Man, is it straight. That silver paint looks slick. I tell you, they spent hours blocking this car to make it look this good. Now, we're not consignment dealers here at Vanguard. We spend the time and check the cars out before we buy them. Right now, we're bringing in about 40 new cars every month, and we've got about 235 cars in stock. Now, I'm involved in buying every one of these cars, so what that means to you is you're getting my 35 plus years helping you pick out your dream car. All right, we're in this baby now, and I tell you what, it is set up nice. It's got an aftermarket dash in it, all brand new gauges. They're looking great. It's got an aftermarket radio. It's working. It's got a tilt column, cool steering wheel, awesome shifter here. Center console looks great. It's got race car seat belts in it. This thing's ready to go, guys. Give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to ship this dream to your driveway. And if you need help with financing, we got you covered there too. We got 2 or 3 banks we work with. About a 15-minute phone call with the banker, and this dream is as good as yours. Now, we're gonna take it inside now, or actually we are inside. We're not driving them today because it's nasty outside, but we're gonna get it up on the lift so you can see how nice the bottom side is. Then we're gonna pop the hood and take a look what's making the power and all the music coming out of those tailpipes. All right, we're underneath this 80 Camaro now, and she is nice and clean under here. You can see it's got brand new shackles, brand new bushings. Looks like the spring packs have been rebuilt. Tank is definitely new. Exhaust system is stainless. Drop downs on the quarters look nice and solid. We do have a Posi in here, and we're right around the 373 gear in here. We've got MagnaFlow mufflers, and those babies are all polished up too. Frame is nice and solid. I always take a look at the low spots here in the frame on these. Bushings in the front look like they were done too. It looks like the parking brake cable's new. The pinch weld looks good. The floorboards look like they're original to the car. The bushings on the frame also look like they're new. The frame's been nicely painted. The cross member's been nicely painted. We've got a turbo 350 trans here. Jet coated headers, it looks like. We got Global West tubular front suspension. Looks like brand new shocks, brand new springs. We got Wilwood disc brakes up front here. Let me check the rear. The back side's got disc brakes also, and those are drilled and slotted rotors. A big old sway bar here. The bushings look like they're new in it. The front frame horns are nice and straight. The big old front plastic bumper's in beautiful shape, and the paint looks great on it. Just an amazing build. This is a really cool car, guys. Let's look at wheels and tires. All right, up front here we got some American Racing. They look like torque thrusts, and the aluminum's looking great. We got Cooper Xeons, and these are 245 17s. And you can see the silver paint work right down to the bottom edge is beautiful. Always get in behind these fenders. You can feel around a little bit. It tells a lot about the car. Backside of that front fender is nice and clean. Let's check the rear. All right, out back here. Let's see, looks like 285 17s, and again, those Wilwoods with those drilled and slotted rotors. Check this lip here too, where that inner fender is welded to the quarter. That one's nice and clean, and you can see the bottom side of the rocker is also nice and clean, and that pinch weld looks good too. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we've got what looks like a crate motor. We do have the, it's got the bow tie on the intake here, just like the crate motor would have. All the dates line up. It does have aluminum heads. It's got the center bolt valve covers here. They're all polished up. Air cleaner there also. It's got HEI distributor. You can see they've used the Wilwood master cylinder, and it does have a brand new brake booster. It is power steering. It looks like it's got a brand new fan clutch on it. It's got the new style compressor here for the AC. All the components on the AC look like they're new. You can see the firewall was nicely painted. The bottom side of the hood is nicely painted. The radiator looks like it's brand new also. Cross braces are all billet aluminum here, looking sharp. Everything under here is painted up nice. All the wiring looks good. All the plumbing looks amazing. This is a sweet car, guys. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.